Still struggling to shred chicken with forks? Wasting time and energy on messy, uneven shreds? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to perfection. Whether you're meal prepping, making tacos, or whipping up a barbecue sandwich, shredded meat is a kitchen staple. But who has the time for the tedious, wrist-tiring process? This is where a good meat shredder saves the day. Introducing the Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool, your new kitchen MVP for effortlessly shredding chicken, pork, beef, or any kind of cooked meat. Let's talk about why this tool is a game changer. First off, this shredder is designed with convenience in mind. The anti-slip strip and ergonomic handle make it super easy to grip and twist, even if your hands are wet. No slipping, no struggling, just smooth, effortless shredding every time. Look at this. Just place your meat inside, give it a few twists, and you've got perfectly shredded chicken in seconds. It's like magic, but better because it saves you so much time. And check this out, the visible design lets you see exactly what's happening inside. No guesswork, no uneven pieces, just perfectly shredded meat every time. Whether it's pulled pork, beef for chili, or chicken for tacos, this tool handles it all like a pro. Plus, it works for large batches, too perfect for parties or meal prepping. And don't worry about safety. The shredder is BPA-free, so it's completely food safe. Cleaning up is a breeze too, thanks to the included brush. No more scrubbing for hours. Worried about storage? Don't be. Its compact size makes it easy to store, even in smaller kitchens. So why waste time struggling when you can make your cooking easier, faster, and more fun? The Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool is not just a kitchen tool, it's a kitchen upgrade. Grab yours now on Amazon and take the hassle out of shredding. Your meals and your hands will thank you.